Hi and welcome to Fabricville. Today I show you how to wrap gifts in a stylish and eco-friendly way inspired by the Japanese art of Furoshiki. First, a classic knot. Start by placing the fabric on the flat surface, positioning it in a diamond shape with one corner facing you. Place your box at the center of the fabric. Take the corner of the fabric closest to you, fold it over the box, and tuck it underneath. Next, take the opposite corner. Instead of simply folding it over, fold it inward, following the edge of the box. Take the remaining two corners on the sides and bring them toward the center of the box. Tie them together with a tight, simple knot to hold the wrap in place. Then, tie a second knot and adjust the edges for a neat finish. Now let's wrap a bottle, still using a square of fabric. Start by placing the bottle in the center of the fabric. Next, fold the two opposite corners over the bottle, one at a time. Cross the remaining two corners at the back of the bottle, then bring them toward the front. Tie them with an elastic band. To finish, fold the ends inside the elastic to create decorative loops. And voila! To finish, we'll be wrapping a round box. Begin by tying the first two corners of the fabric together. Then tie a second knot with the remaining two corners, overlapping the knots to form a cross. You now have four corners sticking out from the central knot. Take the bottom left corner and fold it up to the left. Then, place the top left corner of the first one, directing it to the upper right. Repeat with the top right corner, placing it over the second one toward the lower right. Finally, take the last corner at the bottom right and place it toward the lower left, passing it through the loop formed by the first corner. Pull gently to hold everything in place. Finally, tuck the excess corners under the large knot for a clean finish. Now you know 3 ways to wrap your gifts with fabric. I wish you a very happy holiday season. See you soon!